Hello everyone and welcome to this quick tutorial on the process of signing in to your CMS distribution web store account. I will click on the Sign In button, which is placed on the top of the header between Country and Request Account. You are required to enter your email address and your password, and then you click Sign In. If there is a case where you may have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Your Password. This will ask you to input your email address again. After that, there will be an email link to reset your password, which will be sent to your inbox. For this tutorial, I will enter my email address in the required email field. Next, I will enter my password in the required password field, and click on the Sign In button. Welcome to your account. You have successfully logged in. Now you are on the homepage. You can scroll down the homepage to explore our current promotions and offers. If you want to get our marketing emails, you can enter your email address here and sign up at the Let's Stay in Touch section, which is at the bottom of the homepage. If you have queries or want to contact our team members at CMS Distribution or to find more information, please select the following. 1. Contact information for company details. 2. Help and advice for any queries you may have. 3. Policy and statements for our policies and terms and conditions. If you would like to follow our social media to see our company posts and updates, we have placed our social media platforms at the bottom of the page: LinkedIn, X, and YouTube. I would also like to point out our features that are placed on the top right of the header. These features include Account, My Favorites list, Quick Order, and My Cart. My Cart, My Favorites, and the Quick Order cart are currently empty. We have tutorials available for all these features. If you would like to sign out of your account, please select My Account at the top of the header and then click on Sign Out. Thank you for following this tutorial on login and homepage with CMS distribution.